Hey there. Today I'm sharing how to best structure your Google Drive folders. Now, before we dig in, I want you to be sure and hit that bell and subscribe because I publish a new episode every Thursday and you sure don't want to miss one. Now, in case you're new around here, I want to introduce myself. I'm Kathy Schneider and I've been an online entrepreneur since 2001, helping solopreneurs elevate your game with streamlined workflows and organized habits so you can maximize your productivity, because I am all about helping you spend more time doing the things you enjoy with the people you love and not working every free minute of your day. Step one, I want you to create a main folder. The first step to organizing your Google Drive is to create a main folder. This folder should be named something like company name. So whatever your company name is, but do that. And then this folder will kind of be the backbone of your organization system, and it'll contain all of your subfolders. Step two, create subfolders. Once you have your main folder set up, it's time to create subfolders. These subfolders should represent different areas or departments of your business. For example, you might have subfolders for marketing, finance, SOPs, various courses. Each would have its own subfolder, of course, operations, and so on. Step three, you want to organize these files within subfolders. Now that you have your subfolder set up, it's time to start organizing your files within each subfolder. You can further categorize files within each subfolder with additional subfolders if you want. Step four, consistently naming your folders. It's important to establish a consistent naming of all of your files. This will make it easier to find files quickly and avoid confusion. You might choose to use a date-based naming or maybe a descriptive naming format. Step five, folders and files. Lastly, you'll want to make sure that you're sharing the appropriate folders and files with your team members or any collaborators. You can do this by setting up specific permissions within each folder. Now, those are my best practices for structuring Google Drive folders for online entrepreneurs. But remember, the key is to staying organized is to have a system in place that works for you and your business. And more importantly than anything is to be consistent with it. As a bonus, here's a few extra tips that you might want to try. Color code your folders. You can color code your folders to make them easier to identify at a glance. Simply right-click on the folder and choose Change Color. Another thing, you can utilize search. Use the search bar to quickly find files and folders. You can even search for specific keywords within documents. And then create shortcuts. So if you frequently access certain files or folders, consider creating shortcuts for them. Simply right-click on the file or folder and choose Add Shortcut to Drive, or you can save it to your browser. Personally, I put my links to files within my projects inside my project management tool, which is Asana. Regardless, keep your Google Drive tidy. Regularly go through your files and delete any that are no longer needed. This will help keep your drive organized and clutter-free. Okay, do me a favor. In the comments, let me know if your Google Drive is organized, or does it feel more like, just like a file with things just randomly dumped in it. And then also be sure and look below this video for how you can dive deeper with me in learning more about Google Drive and how to use it in your business. And don't forget to join my exclusive Facebook community. I'll put the link below this video for that as well. And remember to hit that bell and subscribe because I publish a new episode every Thursday. In fact, the next one is 7 Habits for Productivity.